Welcome to the world of Snooze, the meme coin that's flipping the crypto script. Forget the grind, the hustle, and the endless noise of traditional meme coins. Snooze, with its ticker ZZZ, is here to let you kick back, dream big, and still aim for the moon. Built on the Solana blockchain, ZZZZ combines lightning-fast transactions, ultra-low fees, and a vibrant ecosystem with a philosophy that celebrates relaxation over relentless work. Ready to dive into a crypto project that's as chill as it gets? Let's explore what makes Snooze the most laid-back yet ambitious meme coin out there. What is Snooze? ZZZ. Snooze isn't just another meme coin, it's a lifestyle. Launched on Solana, ZZZ leverages the blockchain's speed and efficiency to create a seamless experience for holders. Solana's infrastructure means transactions are processed in milliseconds, with fees so low they're practically a whisper. But what sets ZZZ apart is its vibe. While other meme coins thrive on chaos and hype, Snooze is for those who believe wealth can come without stress. Our motto? Sleep your way to the moon. This coin is for dreamers, loungers, and anyone tired of the crypto rat race. It's a rebellion against the 24/7 grind culture, offering a community where you can hold, relax, and still ride the wave to potential gains. Snooze is about finding balance in a world that's always on. Whether you're napping through market dips or chilling during a bull run, ZZZ is your ticket to a calmer crypto journey. The $ZZZ community is already buzzing with creative energy. From meme contests to laid-back Twitter spaces, we're building a space where creativity and relaxation coexist. Think of it as a digital hammock. Swing in, vibe out, and let the gains come to you. With Solana's robust ecosystem, ZZZ taps into a network of DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and decentralized apps, giving holders endless ways to engage without breaking a sweat. Token details. Let's get to the nuts and bolts of Snooze. Name, Snooze. Ticker, $ZZZ. Total supply, 990 million tokens. Decimals, 9. Blockchain, Solana. These specs make ZZ versatile and accessible, whether you're trading small amounts or going big. Solana's high-throughput blockchain ensures you can buy, sell, or transfer $300 billion without worrying about gas fees eating into your stack. To keep things legit, here are the official resources. Buy on Radium. Trade ZZZ on one of Solana's top decentralized exchanges. View on SolScan. Check the blockchain for transparent token data. Metadata. JSON. Verify the official contract to avoid scams. Always stick to these official links to ensure you're dealing with the real ZZZ. In a world full of copycats, we're committed to transparency and security. The Million Token Giveaway. Now for the part everyone's been waiting for, the official Snooze giveaway. To celebrate our growing community and reward early supporters, we're dropping a total of 1 million ZZZ tokens to 10 lucky winners. That's right, you can stack up on some serious Z's dollars without even breaking a sweat. The prize pool is designed to spread the love while giving the top winners a massive boost. First place will walk away with 300,000 ZZZ, second place secures 200,000 ZZZ, and third place gets 100,000 ZZZ. For the remaining 7 winners, each will still receive a generous 57,142 ZZZ, making sure the excitement is shared across the board. This giveaway isn't just about tokens. It's about showing appreciation to our supporters and welcoming fresh dreamers into the SNOOZE movement. Whether you've been holding since day one or just discovered ZZZ, this is your perfect chance to join the vibe and claim your share of the rewards. The event is open until September 1st, 2025 at 23:59 UTC, so there's plenty of time to enter and spread the word. Don't sleep on this opportunity, literally. With Snooze, you don't need to grind to shine, and this giveaway proves exactly that. How to join the giveaway. Getting in on the giveaway is as easy as a Sunday nap. Follow these steps to secure your entry. 1. Follow our Twitter page at Rapu. 43913 for updates and memes. 2. Join our Discord and Telegram communities to connect with other chillers. 3. Like, share, and retweet our pinned giveaway post on Twitter to spread the word. 4. Submit your Solana wallet address through the official entry form. We'll randomly select the winners and announce them publicly, so everyone knows it's fair and square. No hustle required, just join, engage, and dream of those ZZZ tokens landing in your wallet. Why Snooze stands out. Meme coins often come and go, but Snooze is built for the long haul. Our vision goes beyond viral tweets and pump and dump schemes. Here's why ZZZ is different. Community-driven, the SNOO. Z-E community is a mix of artists, dreamers, and crypto enthusiasts who share a passion for creativity and relaxation. We're not just about trading, we're about building a movement. Solana's Edge. By leveraging Solana, ZZZ offers a smooth, cost-effective experience that's rare in the meme coin space. No more watching your profits vanish into gas fees. Chill. Philosophy. In a world obsessed with grinding, Snooze celebrates the power of pausing. It's a reminder that success doesn't always mean stress. We're also committed to keeping things fun. Expect regular meme contests, community events, and Twitter spaces where you can share your wildest dreams or just vibe with the crew. Snooze isn't just a coin, it's a mindset. Where ZZZ is headed. Snooze has big plans, and we're only at the beginning of the journey. In the short term, our focus is on building a strong and vibrant community by growing our presence across Twitter, Discord, and Telegram, welcoming more dreamers to join the movement. At the same time, we're preparing to apply for listings on major platforms like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, giving ZZZ greater visibility and recognition. To make trading smoother and more enjoyable, we're working on boosting liquidity on Radium, while also keeping the energy alive with meme contests, giveaways, and creative community-driven campaigns that reflect the spirit of Snooze. Looking ahead, our long-term vision is where things get even more exciting. We plan to roll out staking options so holders can earn passive rewards simply by relaxing. Snooze-themed NFTs will capture the essence of creativity, humor, and relaxation, while our exclusive merch line, from hoodies and mugs to sleep masks, will let supporters carry the brand into the real world. On top of that, partnerships with Solana-based projects will help integrate ZZs into DeFi and gaming ecosystems, expanding its utility and reach. Our mission is simple: make Snooze a household name in crypto while staying true to our laid-back roots. Snooze isn't just about chasing profits, it's about reshaping what a meme coin can truly stand for. In a space often fueled by hype, fear, and endless noise, ZZZ brings something different. A coin that values relaxation, fun, and community spirit over frantic speculation. It's not only about holding tokens, it's about holding onto an idea that says you can win without burning yourself out. Whether you're here for the giveaways, the long-term journey, or simply to vibe with like-minded people, you're part of a community that believes in slowing down to enjoy the ride. Built on the speed and efficiency of Solana, Snooze delivers more than just clever branding. It delivers a stress-free vision for crypto. Think of it as your reminder that you don't need to grind 24/7 to shine. In a sleepless market, Snooze gives you permission to rest easy while still making waves. Join the SNOOZE movement. Ready to hop on board? Snooze is more than a coin. It's a way of life. Grab some Z's on Radium, join the giveaway, and become part of a community that's all about dreaming big and sleeping deep. The deadline for the giveaway is September 1st, 2025, so don't wait too long to get involved. Follow us on Twitter, join our Discord and Telegram, and share the pinned giveaway post to secure your spot. Whether you're here for the tokens, the vibes, or the chance to moon while you snooze, we're thrilled to have you. Let's make crypto chill again, together. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.